Hi, my name is Jeanette Beckwith. I'm the Level 3 Travel and Tourism Coordinator here at the Eastbourne campus. Here at Eastbourne we offer two levels of travel and tourism. We have our Level 3 and our Level 2. Both of our courses are designed to offer you all the skills and knowledge that you need to actually enter into the travel and tourism industry. Here at Eastbourne, the Level 3 course is the NCFE Introductory Diploma, which is a one-year course where you learn all the basics that you need for the travel and tourism industry. We also include into our units resort reps, learning about the cruise industry and travel agents. If you then so wish, you can carry on to a second year, which will give you the extended diploma, which will then also incorporate your cabin crew learning and all about different airports, as well as learning about the different aspects of the protecting travel and tourism industry. With all of our travel and tourism, they are all assignment-based. That means you complete the work in class, then it's marked by your teacher and graded. This is then IV'd and checked internally, and then NCFE come in and check your actual grades are correct. The grades are in the pass, merit and distinction. In the last 2 years we've had some great trips. We've had a trip to the Grand Hotel here at Eastbourne and learnt all about the hospitality industry. We have also been to British Airways, where we did our SEP training, where all the students gained a certificate from British Airways that linked to their Unit 14. Last October we also went to London and linked to our Unit 5, where we visited the London Dungeons. We also went on the London Eye and we actually did a cruise along the Thames, all which helped the students write their assignments. Okay, with travel and tourism there are so many different types of jobs that lead from this type of course. You can actually go in and be your cabin crew and your resort rep, which is the most popular first jobs when you leave the college. But there's also working for tour operators, cruise liners, travel agents, and also lots of different jobs within the hospitality and leisure market. Lots of our students also, when they have finished here, prefer to then go on to university, which they then go and do a 3-year course where they study travel and tourism to an international level and also include management within that, so they can go in a high level of these types of jobs. To actually enter onto a Level 3 course, we are looking for 5 GCSEs with Maths and English at a grade 4 or over. If for any reason you don't get your English and Maths at those grades, you would then be offered our option of our Level 2 course, which still allows you to develop and start your experience of doing travel and tourism here at Eastbourne. So, if you do think travel and tourism is the course for you, please head over to our website where you'll find further information on how to enrol, and I look forward to interviewing and meeting you here at the college.